Dr. Lowe, also known as the principal, Mrs. Lowe. Our school proudly sits on Treaty 6 territory and the homeland of the Métis. Here are some fun facts about Sylvia Fedoruk School. Did you know that we have 550 students, kindergarten to grade 8, including our functional life skills program? We have approximately 50 staff members, and next year we are expected to grow to 650 students. We opened our doors in 2017. In only 4 short years, we have students born in 48 different countries. And we can't forget our namesake, Sylvia Fedoruk. We are named the Fusion because of Sylvia. She is a local hero, physicist, and former lieutenant governor. So join us as we blast off into kindergarten.
Hello, my name is First Commander Fuse. Join me as I orbit around the school to show you what it is like to be in kindergarten. Here are my earthly teachers.
Greetings, kinderlings! I'm Mrs. Sparks.
And I'm Mrs. Tim.
Have you seen her? Who? First Commander Fusey? I think I see her now.
She's orbiting the school.
SFS Kindergarten is out of this world!
This is Mrs. Nelson, our secretary. She answers the phone and helps us if we need it. This is Mrs. Tim's classroom where students learn to read, write, and count to 10. She has 2 kindergarten classes. This is Mrs. Sparks' classroom. She also has 2 kindergarten classes where students learn to be kind, share, and explore. Here are some students who will tell you what they learn at our school. I learn about being kind and the alphabet at school.
I like playing Legos with my friends. I like to play with my friends.
Tell me, what do you learn in kindergarten?
Math and writing. Every day we get to go in the gym or music room. We love singing and being active. One of our favorite places to learn is in our outdoor classroom or talking circle. Uh-oh, here comes Pilot Parada.
Hi, I am Command Module Pilot Parada, also known as Mrs. Parada, the Vice Principal. Thank you for flying around our SFS Galaxy, First Commander Fusey. Kindergarten registration is now open. Please call the main office or visit our website for more information. We hope you can join us for our virtual open house on April 29th at 6 p.m. We can't wait for you to be a member of our Fusion family.
Thank you for flying around the school with me. I hope you enjoyed my virtual tour. See you next fall. Over and out.